Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable text messages on your StockX app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So that when you click on this sign, it's going to take us to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. You come here to notifications preferences, so then it's going to take you here in this list. Come here to text messages here, click in this sign. So then like you see this color show for us. So here you add your phone number before you add here your enable it. When you just add your phone number, click here on agree. So then it's going to enable with you here text messages notifications on your StockX app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.